Welcome to our guide on how to prevent the microphone on your X device from being accessed. Follow these easy steps to ensure your privacy and security. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, navigate to the Applications section in the Settings menu. Here, you will see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Look for the X application that you want to prevent from accessing your microphone. Once you have located the X app, tap on it to open the App Info page. Here, you will find various options and settings related to the app. Tap on the Permissions option. This will show you a list of all the permissions that the app has access to, including the microphone. To prevent the X app from accessing your microphone, simply toggle the switch to Don't Allow next to the microphone permission. This will block the app from using your device's microphone without your permission. By following these steps, you can take control of your privacy and prevent any unwanted access to your microphone on your X device. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.